China's clean energy share is rising fast, faster than any other major economy. One of the companies powering this clean energy surge is Envision, the world's largest wind turbine producer.
Envision is leading for smart wind turbine, and we are the leading position from worldwide, and we are number 2 for delivery last year, about 14 gigawatt of wind turbine to the market. And also we get the order taken from globally number 1 last 3 years.
In 2024, wind power accounted for 10% of China's total electricity generation. Solar power was 9%. And the country produces the majority of solar panels and wind power equipment globally.
We developed smart wind turbine with the AI together. So we have 2 big models. The first is the AI weather forecast model, and second is the energy model together, so that we can understand when power will come and how to consume such a new energy with high value.